All right, scientists, this week we have been talking about the ocean, but I want you to specifically think about how on Monday we were talking about living and non-living things. I want you to pause this video for a second and just think about and maybe name 3 to 5 things that you know are living in the ocean. Now that you can think of those things, we're actually going to be categorizing those living things inside the ocean into 5 different categories when we look at the things that are living. The first one that we're going to categorize is mammals, and this is one that you're most familiar with. Some examples are dolphins, whales, sea otters, manatees, and seals. And mammals are warm-blooded animals with backbones who breathe air, give birth to live babies, and usually have skin covered with hair. The second one that you're really familiar with is reptiles. Those things would include sea turtles, sea snakes, crocodiles, and marine iguanas. Reptiles are cold-blooded, oviparous, or they lay eggs, animals that breathe air and have skin covered with hard, dry skin or bony plates. The other one seems pretty straightforward, but it's fish. I don't know if you knew this, but a shark is considered a fish, as is a stingray, an eel, a seahorse, and a fish. Fish are also cold-blooded animals with skeletons inside their bodies that live underwater and have fins for swimming and gills for breathing. This is actually an example of a dried-out seahorse. The other two can get kind of confusing, so I'm going to explain these ones a little bit further. These are invertebrates, and these are crustaceans. Invertebrates are things like octopus, squid, jellyfish, oysters, clam, coral, sea anemone, and sea urchins. Invertebrates are animals without a backbone. So the things that look like plants on the bottom of the ocean are actually invertebrates. Then crustaceans are things like crabs and barnacles, lobster, shrimp, hermit crabs, and sea spiders. Sometimes people will eat crustaceans for a sea dinner. Crustaceans are animals that live mostly in the water and usually have an exoskeleton and 2 parts of feelers. An exoskeleton is a skeleton that can be shed. So today in Seesaw, you are going to be categorizing things between these 5 categories. If you need help, be sure to come back to this video and look at those posters again, but I know you can do it. Have a great day.